Hey guys, it's your girl AnitraNi and I'm back at it with another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for new content and updates. And head over to my website, check out all new products and exclusive products that I have available for you right now. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day promotion for my website. And also introducing my new lash line called Boujiee B, and I'm very excited to show you. So now guys, I would love to introduce my lashes, which are Boujiee B lashes in the style Bougie that I'll be wearing today with this fabulous look of mine. Don't they look so beautiful? Look at them. They are 4D, 5D lashes, 25 mm, up to 25 time use. Also washable and comfortable. So I'm going to be showing you how I place my lashes on. So once you apply the glue from one tip to the other of the strip, you're going to pull your eyelash crease back and then slowly apply the eyelash to the eyelash line. If you watch my other video before, I'll leave the link down below for a full detailed view of how to apply eyelashes. Guys, I just want to take a moment to say, look how my eyeshadows look. Like, I'm very amazed at myself of how good I did and what I accomplished just by myself. So this is the complete look, and I'm just going in, just fixing little details, little some crannies, blending in the lashes, and this is the lip gloss that I'll be using. And just look how shiny and moisturizing and hydrating it is. And guys, this is the complete look. So ladies, looking sexy this Valentine's for your significant other is a must. You can definitely head over to my website where I have my Prima Donna collection, which entails 5 styles of lashes, which Boujiee is what I'm currently wearing. Also Flirty, Queen, Chic, and Shade. Now on my website I also have other regular lashes, which is my regular Boujiee collection that you can check out as well. Guys, it was so much fun getting ready with me and doing my makeup for my Boujiee shoot for my website. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for updates and creative content. For all products used in this video, I'll leave in the description box below. I'll also leave a link down below to head over to my website to purchase any products you've seen on today's tutorial. And guys, thank you for the love and the support that you show. Don't forget to press the notification box for any updates and deets. Until next time, bye.